daughter of Brandon Mull, and today we'll be doing another activity from Fablehaven Book of Imagination. We'll be making wizard slime. Luckily, mortals can make it too. You'll be taking 2 4-ounce bottles of school glue and dumping it into the bowl. You refill the glue bottles with water. I think it's working. Bubble, bubble. Once you do this, get a food coloring of your choice. Stir with a spoon. Now, even though orange is the most potent, I feel that blue is more necessary for my needs against the battle with my brother. Once you're satisfied with the color, mix in borax with water. Stir it until the borax is completely dissolved. Pour it in and begin stirring with the spoon. Now the fun part. Take your hands and mix in all the water with the wizard slime. Mixing the potion.
Sadie, what are you doing to that pudding?
Dad, for your information, am a wizard now, and I am making wizard slime to battle against... Oh, never mind.
The forces of darkness?
You could say that.
Yeah, well, that looks pretty gross. So you've succeeded that much. You know, if we baked it, that could be wizard bread, though.
Dad!
All right, you have fun. Don't eat it.